Then all I want you to do is press it down, mostly in your hand, and then transfer it to the parchment, and then just finish pressing it. You can't even see it. Let me just move it this way, maybe. There we go. Just finish pressing it down on the parchment, okay? Until you have, I don't know, like a 1/2 inch thick or something. You don't want it totally too thick because it's going to take longer to cook in the center, and you need this thing fully cooked. The thing I want to talk to you about that you see online, like I can't even make this stuff up. It is so ludicrous. So there's this huge tip, they call it. Oh, this is going to keep your burgers very moist. You know what they tell you to do? To put in the center of your burger patty once you have it formed? An ice cube. Honestly, have you seen this? They tell you to put an ice cube in the middle of your burger patty. Why in the world would you do that? So what they say is by putting an ice cube in there is you're going to have a more moisture burger because you put that ice cube in there and the ice is going to melt. The ice is going to melt the water and you got a watery, blended out burger. That's what you got. Don't do that stuff, folks. Like, honestly, I can't even make this stuff up. Well, I'm just going to have a YouTube video one day. I'm just going to pick apart all these stupid hacks that are out there. Yeah, I'm going to add a whole bunch of flavorless water to my burger. That makes sense. Like, oh my goodness, just pay attention to the grill, folks. Have an internal thermometer, and you don't need to add water to your burgers, right? I'll give you a hack that actually works. You don't have to do it because we're just going to pay attention. Take your thumb and make a little indent in the center of your burger. So it has a little thumbprint in there. That makes the center a little bit thinner, so it will cook through more evenly like the rest of the burger patty, okay? So you're not waiting for the center to cook through and you're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, okay? If you need to do that, then do that. Don't put an ice cube in your burger, okay?